There is a committee. I don't know whether that is what you are talking about, but there's a committee investigating some of these things.
Yes.
And their report is not before us.
Committee of Parliament has set up.
No, there is an investigative body into that matter. I believe I need not to preempt it, but at the appropriate time, when their report is brought before us, then we can investigate. Parliament, we don't just do things in a vacuum. You need to be informed, and if it is even discussed at the plenary, the speaker refers to the appropriate committee, and we discuss at the committee level, and the decisions are taken. I believe at the right time, some of these things will be revealed. Abani take you over. There are so many things na Ghana for you being good. Abani why you consistent on to ensure that you be uncover nina Ghana for so the respective natural resources nina
because I watch Africa, one report quite revealing, because I can report and what about 6 mining companies. Coincidentally, when you know Western region, Persis in Pudu Central, so I am free in the Central. But Persis mining, Ghana manganese, Ghana bauxite, Goldfield, Taboso, Chirano mines, BBNE, and Eshe data now between 2013 and 2016. Because the Minerals and Mining Act not 10% carried interest on all mining companies in Ghana. So 10% carried interest based on one profit, $15 million in 3 years. In fact, the Auditor General's report for 2018 were captured there because there were interest the young representatives on their respective boards. Board member into no oversight responsibility. And
I know the few that you've mentioned. I know Goldfields as a board rep.
Government rep on those boards.
Yes.
The Auditor General would have to come again.
Yes.
Because
I know,
General,
and myself, I'm on the manganese board.
The Ghana manganese board. As a government rep.
Yes, I'm representing the 10% carried interest.
How do I represent? And since when have you been on the board?
Oh, just a year and a half.
And it's possible there by the time
maybe a walk back, But during NDC's time, they had a board member there.
No, then the Auditor General would have to come again because Auditor General.
I know. They had a board member.
The report cites
Goldfields had a board member, and
the report cites Domelevo. The report there. Because
I was working the politics is so what can I watch Africa reports now? Honorable, look at there. Further checks by I Watch Africa, the Auditor General's office, also showed that these companies failed to obtain the needed prior approval from the Ministry of Finance for the plowback of the profit. So, when your profit now, instead of the dividend, they plow it back arbitrarily. I will take decision to plow it back. The Auditor General Daniel Yao Domelevo, in his 2018 report, revealed the absence of government representation on the boards of these mining companies, despite government ownership of 10% carried interest. That one, for what I know, especially I have 3 strong mining companies in my constituency, and on the board, people.
There are government reps in there.
Yes. That is for that one I can vouch for.
Okay, and interestingly, the reps now are called
there are issues with this declaration of dividends, and there are arguments for and against as to the need, whether you are interested in dividends and not even the other tax regime.
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM.
I have gotten a chance of, in a way, investigating and also knowing why even GMC, for example, at a point, they, in a way, were flouted the rule of not paying dividends. So we had to write to them that you need to declare your dividends for 2017 financial year, and that one has been done.
I know they've submitted the report. Minerals Commission has a copy, and that of the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources also has a copy. That one I can also vouch. But 2018, as I speak with you, I've not seen a copy.
Yeah, because my worry is if we are losing monies that should come to us. Now, actually break down, because we will break down in now for mine, and this is specific on 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. I mean, who are the upper $15 million?
That is huge.
I mean, just like that.
That is huge. But we need to further investigate. So it's good. We have civil society organizations. You're also raising concerns of some of these issues. The committee will take it up and we'll do further checks. So we need to do a collaboration effort with the committee on finance to investigate some of these things. Obano Sikasamana, our committee on finance, and they deal with and the leadership of mines and energy, though, but not the entire committee.
Okay.
The speaker mostly or refer that matter to the committee on finance and that on mines and energy, the leadership. We'll join finance to discuss some of this. So we'll take it up. The report, when they take it gradually, you can't do everything at a go. So we take it up and ensure. Nancy, field trip. Going visiting some of the oil installations. I think we are about visiting the mining companies as well, and some of these things will come up for us to discuss. So it is good we're discussing it now. I think it's time for us to unearth some of the challenges we're having in the mining companies.
Mate, Honorable Richard, Akwaba net saying. National headquarters Boko.
Oh, nyame adom party no mudadina said ya Ghana enso so mudadina ye konkoye dimi. Nyame na ye he ne say baton super good jumaden a na dodango go for ba ne MPP ye. Ama Ghana akoye nim. Enti maga say bibia Boko. Na ayese enne actually enra na anope na me kan o station bia me koy. Say me young guys be nipa be 5 Ekosiisen. Okay, no more program bia say na me go pie ho. Before I be start a meeting no mo din komo bia ansam ewra ho. Now all of it was to address say ejuma nanka omo hwehwe from 2014. Now 3 of them no more pay juma. Omo enya na hwa yedin. Now about a month ago na amumienu enye adwuma last week they ka ho so enye adwuma na o ka say it is as if saying sa one district one factory program project sanka ya dey buy the dada nka since 2014 nka by now no nanka o ma adwuma akomanim na me ka akusi say one district one factory no gradually though a binimo embese ebe diatumu se eye adwuma no eye adwuma ama nipa bebre enyamu mfaso na de aka ne se ye bebo aban we abaso na ya koswara a support say program ye because and you say bia de beka politics so ye ne yaye but say beka say depenya ho mfaso eno na no eye me crash sem bebre say metumi te say dipa bi anya say bia omo come mate but me walk into the conversation na feel say across the country ye to be consumer nipa to be cast good news where Ghana abekwe nim bebre nti na e manage sem bebre I thought say me share ama otiefo ate omo amunyanye bi no enya rehye mu say ye kwe nim no ne ma be yam nso manya adwuma ne bia
mate ma me ma onuane me yake akwa aba na fe me hye ye nkomo na se ankasa mfiri ho wona ura ha first nti it's only right chief what then
obi nyamena dum na on pa bont
national headquarters Boko
adum yara National headquarters Boko nche enyi
headquarters na betra
enyi general edin komo
yes
wara hu de bibia Boko ogbogbo nzama do achiro ma we hu de sebi opposition na ye won nyeda ye opposition anti na bia ade bi wo ho asebi omumpa bakado mu na emom no odurumiri bia ebe a lot of advocacy na sebi mpanyimfo a won so nyankopon na ho adoma when your appointment ahoro na what egwema wo yiduma on AsempaFM them adina sebi or cordon, especially when you wanna was swear oath. The Wabaka Katina Egonim na Wayada Obayan Faso. Minimara say last week from Sunday na this week Mimda was a pack and canpa editing the Machira. And when the NIA or Adukra made the Chirimi to Moesi or the as a miniature cry, Mayor Medasha President Akufa Dunyam, sent there. Ona no kade yamo mozi na yenye citizens na me yenye spectators. Obi adibi koro ha na
registration ye ho
minyim there awoze bia etina superma ando mo sukopo ebotum afre na aye ho hwehwem. Obi last week Sunday minya ntie there bi no mo ye registration wo chapro bi na omamukopo chapro
wo on kan ha
awoshi Victory Bible onye dam chapel no me kopo hon ampa na nkrofo ye registration Sunday chapel hon wa bochenkuma after church nyimpa dom wo ho a wo tro wozi ntimi bisa na ye nyimpa wo hwedo nde masa na me le wonye djuma kusida on AsempaFM so special directives na me so muso me citizen krata be no kire because one krata 25th of April obi every 2018 other one website is here menyoka say who producers obotu one check am you Professor Kenneth Ajima Tefa onara say kasa no do to go or do to oye one national plan will roll out our friend one some from the station and other stations in painful we are doing in be at also on behalf of the National Identification Authority Minister Oshado Oye Dr. Antonia Koto say the chairman of the NIA governing board Oye Mr. Ebele Dusey na entire membership no on behalf of one onu CEO Odru Tugwa o briefing one plan na wafa wopede wodi ye din chorchoro na obi ihwem na ko page 4 of one document na Ebakra West registration Obi Okan won't pay the registration centers will be open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. each day, excluding Sundays and public holidays. Obi na them document here there on behalf of the governing board. The governing board Bema na chedo a decision kasapa. One will take the NIA management and one implement. On what do to go man here in IATB. Na ye ko hu the madia ye kan waseman. Obi quickly ne Jordano and head of corporate affairs Oye ACI Francis Pamdetti Obi Odecrat be bought to go on the 20th of May. The NIA registration of some selected churches on Sunday 19th May, it was authorized by one NIA. And Obi, I don't think the head of corporate Obotumwa superseded that of now the Kasabia Botugwa Onu Ochin Sebi Mawa Waboya Mane, the governing board a minister Osha Wando through one CEO Oda Babo Tugwa other one website a hina ya jatum de consider na public holidays 1 year damage man. Obi said I'm not nanka onye den here ye bakwa kopedo. Na mum dem a wa list chapel 7 churches there. More wa grant to 1 year registration Sunday. I thought that they would have, given us that information and are putting it out there to the public for people to know that indeed Sundays 1 year Juma.
Yeah, them statement, obey after what raise.
Oh yes. I went there on Sunday
and a statement about Monday.
Issues by the Monday he said this. Na more yemi yo kakra there. Head of corporate affairs is it. Nanche honorable hunde sebi. Say oyenhihye anho na wa ye kra na governing board na wa jatuma. Pen one document order on website Ghana phone na we adin na wa assessing. Na nko order one ma yehu document o che there. When you why you take decisions be on into amend there. It be a Sunday will be another Sundays in Obama special offers to some people. But be them kasana yede wambotogwa. Yehuni ya yede tu abano na babaka de church see yama. But you see, minji de obi brumrado. And now one kasa so washishe womra na wadu to Ghana yenyima. De dem jumeni woods amena.
Or they would
do. In fact, corporate governance I don't see the sense in it there. Governing board or the Kasababa Tugwa. A board chairman quoted, captured, a CEO, or no bejina wana name, not the Kasana Tugwa, na yenya head, na waba, yen who be biara or trade. Governing board now rectify another. We take other decisions be there. Sundays and they are going to do them exercise and another special exercise. If you bring to bring Crawford apply over to.
But the point will be there. What is that irreparable damage or because say we register for Sundays? At the end of the day, eventually, what we all need in the Ghana need be able register.
Obi, AsempaFM. Na Obi, Shishani sebi. Or ye Ghana for ye beti na ya ye hu ye tu hu anamon na ya kwa akotro yedin onye NIA dwuma ye fu na wotro hu di dementi na hu ankasa wo hu nde se bia o de wo ba no bobo de huru wo de kire hen na hu nsem trofo wo ba no wo de to website obi hwehwa we tu mu access na we hu ofi bill to bill a wo de ba ye dwuma enti obi se ba ka kire hen de mpanyinfo Asempa nwa wo he wo se odu ye odan ye ba ye kasa no obonu nsia or the weapon na ye banda Dominic say ono so the kasa fufura ba de won pun nsia obopun 5:30 obiara sebi onyim zen obebisa de sen denti na odo ye den obandam na nchemu papa bi o ha Dominic da ba me yehu na day na so ka the head of corporate you say wa approve ne den na one ma other interested churches and once we Juma Sundays our argument in there be a true nidina. It should become a public information so that other churches and once we Sunday no they can then apply. I will to why watch from Grove Obi also na nchena ebenada medman rusi Obi ebenada sem KCBC NIA nsem ya Obi oye fada my electoral area yenye na suti de binum wo trojin wo Obi na yetu ya na moye kura na chede mrantie bi a wo di MPP ni mu akotene pa bi kura regional for assembly member obi electoral area secretary wo yi basa obi wafa NIA forms no na commissioner of oath no forms na or they endorse them and Crawford say be what they for through them process and obi whether shekukum na wa fanyimpa dodo ho na wo fill the forms no them on obi the masam ni atete ma police yi police azote e ma police bam obi police bam na asam na nkasa ofofo won enti wo fan Crawford nyu ko po Jamestown police station na you go po Jamestown police station o se wonyo anya dem ka chewe efi ade no ba ye pinten che de executives conscious executives a wo ho binu ma wo ba ho pa che de police phone chinchinara odo wo jam rantie no mo ho be mo Ekosiisen o station officer crab begina ba no baka de sebi wo threaten na wo be transfer na won transfer no send the transfer bi wo dem ko bi anyimpa no obi adin mesi mo ko no ye nyiso o ya tete enti no dem free police control room police control room bo ho amane de asem okodo se wan ba ho ahwe aja oboto police station won onye ja kakraba police so wandado na wotutu wan na mon obi na wo be no be situation no ya da oyehu the minti wo transfer mrantie ya wo seli wo transfer dem mrantie ya wo seli na obi when you won fee Jamestown police station and when you won call ministries Yefi ministries marami fi ministries police station na obi almost 1 a.m. na police phone wo ye adwuma so nko dem mo abado sentin there wo push ho no wase dabi na ma didi evidence nyi okita ho nyi okita nkrate pictures na di nyina wo mu phone do motum za kire the minti MPP Fumapa, all party executives. Oh, please. You have to mark out the Bikra secretary or electoral area or old Fadama. Go and check. But Obi, Mamo here, Mapa, there. Oh, please, allow me.
That is not right.
Are you the host?
Of course.
Are you the host? And I continuation. Mazo mo go
Chief, Fawanosi.
Obi, Asama. Oma meka da mase me de chiro onye de obi se Ghana card na agitum de sebi ye tro din po ye Ghana fo na ye tro hodin enti why de ye hwe kwa ye ba fado ye ba yen dem ensem ya according to NIN mean na Richard na honorable Duka yentum yenkita forms na NIA one equipment there in register binum.
Okay.
The minti
police say we are more investigations in that and
oh so only check be police for.
Remember, and what do one call and did they confirm they were MPP for?
Obi may catch all the MPP for
when the police confirmed they were MPP for.
You call the police and find out.
It based on what?
Based on the fact they minimum there, MPP. Menyo kasa no one constituency youth executive poras and na one secretary and toko si police station na comfort edibisa question onya sam kakra bo
enyi me question na
me you ano me say oda na di wan kasa wo confirm me won hu there oye dam gina bi na ekro wo mu kra de onya da oye suma sam obi ogina kra assemblyman oye MPP nyi mapa ekro wom sani tete sani a woman oye electoral area old fadama secretary for the MPP and he say oh why them here then we be say frenyi pa na bisa na onye
okay chief I think your point is well
entino mo hia po nye the MPP secretary another oye PPP secretary oh dem meti na me che de etwima adwene gina do onyo no hiam mo hiam poti enyi de na mo nkrofo no wankasa wetu mu afa mra na hye won sema e wo kita nkrate a wo de tro nkrofo won din onno ya da wo de nyina ye dzechiri na question e bisa men e bo modern na bisa police for there dem asem ya mi ken a wa ba ho aka chi wa kwa accident thank you so much
honorable yes quickly
very important as Ghanaians ye be share so there e bia kita form no register will be illegally it is against the law.
Yes.
Fact.
I dey yehwe na yezi mbrano yezi but mama ye metne freedo na ibia sebe oyaza onye na yezi MPP NDC abakata ho na yasa asam because the moment you try to bring in them NPP NDC issue then you go be because meso me checks my ye
executives won't come there to come and give them
no
what are you talking about
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM
them in some of code on MPP executive be involved MPP I'm telling you on this, I'm telling you on authority there MPP executive be involved obviously say aseme sitakwa you might see a MPP executive be the police station ono nche there nipa kunu MPP
really
oh yes because they all live together fadama hono when you know what it is a better na ye kansama ye bibia ye be ye politics obi asama oye de yama security agencies no will take in charge no na fi ya say
yeah kalan with partisan politics okay
obi menye honorable please nyawo na kire mo odo kasa
chief enyima
obi oye nyije de no me pede ye twa dem ase ye wo issues aye ba discuss asama honorable aka na ba wo mpi obi asama menye okay onye dem American honorable obi samasem ena se onye MPP nya mamagina ha mkan no MPP nyi moko awoshi Bible Vision friend Bible Church Victory Bible Church obi me presentation me kan MPP fu ma me se no o chapel fu no
Fadama den na kan
Fadama dia menyoka se obi Daniel Holali
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM
original assembly
member or non-partisan
please me catch obi I will know obi where you say it no when you say that I'm a child
yes
where I mean onu bi no MP meaning I mean onu bi no yeten asema or catch won there
assembly member non-partisan
onye dam naughty obi ya no point please wala na esi enka
mama ma enim PSC
akwa kwara wo ma nyi de no kwara wo ma nyi de Saliu na America no so
also mate you be police from Amena
ministries from Jamestown Faba ministries
enim
nebisa hono mbo
akwa aba na tesen
nebisa o consultation
enim bibia bokọ de
obi Nyankopon Adom na from de waye na enet metimi aka ne se utie general nkoma ona odi na etrese ni daso ho
General Mosquito
yo nti se ne memud na sesan kakra na se wa hwe me a de bia meba fie ha general kasa mentena se jesu akasa wi ansa because utumi se owo adwin a emu do
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM.
Democracy na tiasi. Na the bia me hunu pe na makai Supreme Court 2013. Okasa wie pe na papa bi ofre no. Owura Rekubrobi. O make a statement bi. O chere say general a master of the arts. What democracy na say. And o target Dr. Bawumia ben de menka.
But what democracy as an electoral processes no.
Democracy in electoral process no but we hifa fi na kan.
Oh no, so me specifics.
And no na so ye baka ho asem ti na me pesa me say every one. Ah? What democracy say? Inti process is leading to election. Otiase. And na democracy na gina so. Na Obi, Mamen Kasimbi, America, Ukraine for year election be now year this year.
Yes.
Na inaugural address one president of Freno Volodymyr Zelensky. Okay, see me na somebody me de one address them. Let's see. What say we will build a country of other opportunities. The one where all are equal before the law and where all the rules are honest and transparent. The same for everyone. And for that, we need people in power who will serve the people. This is why I really do not want my pictures in your offices. For the president is not an icon, an idol, or a portrait. Hang your kids' photos instead and look at them each time you are making a decision. I don't say, Papa Nasem no kind.
And now I catch an appointees.
Exactly so. Now, yenya safu to nibi waha Ghana ha. And my president Kufuado. And any appointees ha.
Yeah, omunyi ni portrait in free dying ha.
We asam no kind one. We portrait na sen hono kan sem bi se. O se mo hangi mo ma
portrait
o mo offices.
Mo take decision na ma
hwe mo fran. Ebi na eguso e ka ho nsemi. Say yes, so exactly so. In
the next NDC government, no, you would propose Yemfa Mahama portrait and more office
portrait na esen ho no. Enya no ni so.
No, meba. Moma nenka senwi.
Portrait na esen ho no enya no ni so. What the portrait na esen ho te say den. Obema president na na wo somo man na den. Dwen wo ma ho tie yenyin for ne kra to nche no. Yenyin say be bibia entice the president. We are EC chairperson. We are winner. We are appointee. Enya wadwuma say we are adwuma so president ani. Na mom ye adwuma say be ye adwuma be so wo ma na wo ma nana. Na ma Ghana yen dache enya nyina so. Ma me wie no wa ha. Hwe. Obi ye be kasa nsem ni bi wa ha prem ho kra. Na ni NDC for ye presser. E ko beside say health insurance no. Na pomodeng to den. Just say media for your slow. Yetwenga na NDC for some baby sansa na.
That be wait my memo response.
Manenko.
On the 7th of June, the second Ekosiisen National Dialogue Series. And this one would be on the National Health Insurance Scheme. Sustaining the NHIS Challenges and Prospect. Speakers no Dr. Lydia Janice Selby, current CEO NHIA. Honorable Kweku Agyeman Menu, Minister of Health. Mr. Sylvester Mensah, former CEO NHIA. Dr. Gilbert Bakel, only a public health physician, former CEO Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Dr. Bernard Okoboy, a MP and board chair of Kolebu, and the Health Insurance Service Providers Association,
AsempaFM,
fully represented. Minority and majority members on the Health Committee in Parliament, fully represented. And a Ghana for what is would all be represented. And dear Honor, this program, no, na NHIS won't say no, Friday, June 7th, 2 p.m., Coconut Grove Regency Hotel. Free, and you can be until be able to me, Ababi. Chief by no there, but no, I'll be a AsempaFM.
By the time
yes,
the position of.
The government spokesperson say, the Minister of Health is there, the current CEO is there, the former CEO is there, service providers, Nankasa media represented. Everybody will be there. Yeah.
One more than one will fee Aban
Hobeban.
When you want to say that.
Yeah.
yiri kadam nti dam nkrofo ya we put it together issues are over raise one na ma ho so obaka on aban no ono baba ba ye yen yetin chen yen asema ye ba jatum de position
absolutely because now no all the different positions now on the table and then we all deserve fanafi agree on one
dam day yen kwechibio
it should settle
obi me bomb ba so papa say when ya sabre no say mo pese mutu sana mo ye papa
yes
na no so nkyere say health insurance say egu ama me yenka
oh no that be something kasa
say na me nhyiraw na ye kan say ko voter region ene cash and carry no eno na ekoso nti enya won wa say fiona akoi obeti say nipa bia wo voter region what think can say health insurance no egu won president Kufuor abreso no obeke kan won ho kakra
sir
you obeke kan won ho kakra
if coming from you they instruct you
I am telling you obeke kan won ho kakra because ko voter region health insurance me say egu to senka yo nipa kan obeka say bia say won sie ni na bia won adedan
na nkofo ebe dem so mo ne why adiscuss
obi na yi was to e won right
onim
e won right because they seen 1.2 billion debt na president Kufuor tia no yente ho hwe
Ekosiisen sini wa AsempaFM 25 minutes after 5 me ba na fe Richard Adom me ba me de wo chance e wo dwumadi so mo ntwan me ba sisi